Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the search engine optimization video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a free account on SEMrush. Definitely, there are limitations for the free account. So we will see what are the features included in the free account and what are the limitations in the free account. Then I'll show you how you can get 7 days free trial of the pro account in SEMrush. What are the features included in the free trial? At the end, I'll show you how you can get access to the SEMrush premium account at very low price. So let's start with creating a free account. You do not need to enter any credit card information to create a free account on SEMrush. So here I'm on the SEMrush website. Let me show you the features of the SEMrush. At the top you will see features. This is one of the best SEO tools, and here you will see all the features: keyword research, on-page SEO, competitors analysis, content marketing, local SEO, rank tracking, competitor SEO analysis, link building, social media management. And now let me show you the pricing. Here you will see the pricing, and the first plan is Pro, which will cost you $129.95 per month, and in that you can add up to 5 projects. You can also track 500 keywords and 10,000 results per report. So this is a monthly plan. The second plan is Guru, which will cost you $249.95, and the last plan is $499.95, and you will see the features. In the Guru plan you can add up to 15 projects. In the business you can add up to 40 projects. You can also pay annually, and if you pay annually you will get up to 17% off, and the pro plan will cost you $108 per month. So here you will see try for free. So if you click on it, it will go to the free trial. Here you can create an account and get a 7 days free trial of the pro account or the Guru account. If you just want to create an account and see what are the features in the free account, you can simply go here and click on subscribe. If you already have an account, you can log into the account, or if you want to create a new account, you can simply enter the email address and create a password. Click on create account and it will create a free account. So you don't need to enter the credit card details to get the free account. If you have Google account, you can continue with Google. So even after creating a free account, you can get a free trial of 7 days for any premium account. So I have already created a free account on SEMrush, and here I'm logged into the dashboard, and this is how the dashboard will look. Now let me show you the features that are included in the free account. Here you can go to your account and go to subscription info, and you will see the limitations of the free account. You can have only one user. You can track up to 10 keywords. You can add 1 project. So if you create a free account, you can add 1 project. So if you want to add your website for SEO analysis, you can create a project and add website for the SEO analysis, and the pages to crawl will be 100. So only 100 pages will be crawled. SEO ideas unit, so you will get 10 SEO ideas. You will also get scheduled PDF report. Alright, so these are the features for the free account. Now, later in future, if you want to go for a free trial, you can simply click on upgrade, and here you can select a plan. Enter your credit card details. Enter your credit card details. It is going to charge you $1 just for the credit card verification, and it is going to refund that $1 also. So you will get a free trial for 7 days. After 7 days, you will be charged according to the plan that you have selected. So you just need to enter the credit card details and place the order, and you will get 7 days free trial. And here you will see what is included for the pro. You will get 3,000 reports per day. Keyword metrics updates 250. Keywords to track will be 500. In the free account, you have a limitation of 100 keywords. If you go for Pro, you can track up to 500 keywords. Mobile ranking is also included. Targets per project will be 1. Pages to crawl per month will be 100,000. Pages to crawl per project will be 20,000. You will also see the scheduled PDF report. You can also add extra user for an additional charge. So these are the pricings and features for the Pro, Guru and the business plan. So if you want to go for a free trial of these premium plans, you can simply upgrade it even after creating a free account. Now let's go back to the dashboard of the SEMrush, and let's see. At the top we have the SEO dashboard, and if you want to add your project, you can simply click on create a project, enter your domain name and enter the project name. and click on create a project. So once you add a new project, it is going to track that domain and it will give you detailed SEO analysis of that particular project. Definitely it is going to give you some limited information about the SEO analysis for that project. Here you will see domain overview. So you can enter any domain and it will give you the overview of the domain. Let me try one of my domains here. This is one of the old domain. Click on search and you will see the details of this particular domain. 607 search traffic, backlinks. This is about the organic traffic, which keywords are included. You will see top organic keywords and their position in the Google search results page, keywords by intent, and it will also give you information about the competitor positioning map. Also you will see the backlinks for this particular domain. This is all about the domain analysis. If I go to traffic analytics, it will show me the traffic analysis for that particular domain that I have added. Not all the information is free. You may need to go for the paid plan. Audience overview, so this is not for free. Organic research, and it is again for the same domain. It will show how many keywords are ranking, what is the traffic and traffic cost. Everything is again mentioned here. Keyword gap. You will also get information about the keyword gap. Let's go to keyword overview, and here you can enter the keyword and you will get the information about that particular keyword. Let's try one of the keywords here. I'm going to enter the keyword AI content writer. This is a new topic, so I'm going to look for the keyword. Click on search. You can also select location. It will give you information about that keyword. Global volume is 8.2K, and these are the countries from where the traffic will come. Keyword difficulty is 77%. That means it is a hard keyword. You can also get keyword ideas here. So in the free account, you will get all this information. I have not subscribed for any free trial. This is completely free account. So in the free account, you will get the keyword analysis. So these are the keyword variations and their volume and difficulty. So if you want to write an article, you can consider these keyword variations. And this is the SERP analysis, which website is ranking at the top for that particular keyword. Let's go to keyword magic tool, and we have the same keyword there. And for this keyword, you will see the volume, keyword difficulty. So this is going to give you more detailed analysis. Now from here, you can also filter the results: very hard, easy, intent, CPC. So all the filters are also available. Let's go to keyword manager. Here it says gather keyword clusters ready-made for the content marketing plans. So you can add multiple keywords and you can create a list. Position tracking. So you can enter the domain here and it will show you the position in the SERP for that particular domain. Organic traffic insights. An easy not provided keyword solution combining Google Analytics, Search Console and SEMrush data. Let's go to Backlink Analytics. Here you can enter the domain and analyze it. It will give you the detailed information about the backlinks to this domain. All right, so it says you have reached your free 10 request per day limit. So in the free account, there is a limitation. You can have only 10 free requests per day. Site audit is also available for free, so you can add the site and it will give you more information about the site. You will also get backlink audit, link building tool and bulk analysis. So right now the 10 search limit is over, so I cannot show you more than that. Now let me show you other ways to get access to the SEMrush tool. Now the other option is that you can look for the SEO tools group by, where you can get access to all these SEO tools at very low price. Let me show you an example here. Here one of the website is Flickover. This is one of the group by tool, and you will get access to all these tools at a very low price, that is 1200 rupees per month, that is around $15 per month. In the $15 per month, you will get access to 19 tools and SEMrush is also included. You will see all these tools are available. However, in these tools also there is some usage limit, not like the free account, but there will be some usage limit. So if I go to SEMrush here, if you want to buy a single tool, then it will cost you 1,000 rupees per month. That is approximately $12 per month. In order to use these tools, you will need to install some Google extensions. Let me go to another website here. This is the toolsurf.com. And here on this website, you will get access to SEMrush at $2 only. Again, there will be some limitations. Here you can see the limitation. Total daily search limit is 40 per day. So it is not like that you will get unlimited access to these tools when you sign up for the group buy. There are some limitation in the group buy tools also. In this tool website, audits are not allowed. Sometimes you won't be able to export the reports. No projects can be added. So in the group buy, you will not be able to add the projects. You can search for SEO tools, group buy, and you will see many different websites from where you can get access to these tools at a lower price. However, there will be some limitations on daily usage. So the best option is to go for the free trial of these tools on the semrush.com website. Go for the 7 days free trial and try to get more data within that 7 days free trial. If you like the tool, then you can continue with the paid plan. Otherwise, you can cancel the free trial within that 7 days period. So this is all about the SEMrush free trial. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.